happen to pass by and hear this song, then you will surely know that it is me. Giving it to you alone might be irrelevant but true, because I want you to hear it. I kept trying to move closer to get to you. Though I was tired, I still kept chasing you. But my unfortunate heart never knew that you didn't like me, didn't care at all, didn't want me, never wanted to talk. So I sing this song to tell you I just want you to understand. Everything I did came from my heart. Please don't be mad, sweetheart. Forgive me, darling. After this I won't come around, I won't call anymore. Sing this song to tell you I just want you to understand. Everything I did came from my heart. Please don't be mad, sweetheart. Forgive me, darling. After this I won't come around, I won't call anymore. So I sing this song to tell you I just want you to understand. Everything I did came from my heart. Please don't be mad, sweetheart. Forgive me, darling. After this I won't come around, I won't call anymore. And in the end my heart is begging, please. I wanna see your face just one more time before I leave you, good-looking, black-hearted person. Let me apologize to you once more from my heart. But there is still one word stuck inside my heart, the honest words of a guy like me. I like you.